He had a PhD, a six-figure salary, an IQ in the top 1% of the entire country, and at 58 years old, he had less than $4,000 to his name. This isn't rare, it's a pattern, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Because the thing standing between the most intelligent people and real wealth isn't intelligence at all. We have been sold a simple story: be smart, work hard, and the money follows. But the data tells a stranger truth. Study after study finds almost no meaningful link between high IQ and high net worth. None. In fact, brilliant people often fall into traps that average people walk right past. Their intelligence becomes the very thing that keeps them broke. Here's how it works. The first trap is overthinking. A smart brain can imagine every outcome, every risk, every reason something might go wrong. So when it comes time to invest, to start, to commit, it freezes. Average people open a simple index fund and move on with their lives. The genius spend 3 years researching the perfect strategy and invest nothing. The market doesn't reward the smartest analysis. It rewards the person who actually showed up. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. The second trap is quieter and far more dangerous. As intelligent people earn more, they spend more. The raise becomes a nicer car. The bonus becomes a bigger house. The promotion becomes a lifestyle that swallows every extra dollar. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it's brutal. Because you can earn $300,000 a year and still live paycheck to paycheck. The income goes up, the savings stay at zero. Wealth isn't what you earn, it's what you keep. And the third trap is the deepest. Smart, accomplished people build an identity around being impressive. The watch, the dinners, the address. Every purchase quietly says, I made it. I belong here. And that identity is expensive. You're not buying objects, you're buying proofs. And proof never runs out of things to demand. The bank account pays the price for a story the mind refuses to let go of. So, how do you escape all three? 1. Decide once, then automate. Pick a simple plan and let the system run. So, overthinking never gets a vote. 2. When your income rises, freeze your lifestyle. Send the raise straight to savings before you ever feel it. 3. Separate your worth from your wallet. You are not your possessions. The quiet millionaires figured this out. So can you. Intelligence was never the problem. The patterns were. If this reframed how you think about money, subscribe, because the next video reveals why average people quietly build more wealth than the experts who advise them. I'll see you there.